One important notice for all the students: see, some part of your course book has been dropped. Now, according to new rules, there is a 75% portion is there for you, and 25% has been omitted. Now, yesterday I posted a picture of which part has been omitted, but once again we will see which lessons or which poems have been dropped. See, only two lessons and two poems are dropped. They are 1.5. The text title is The New Dress by Virginia Woolf, and see, it is from, in your course book, its page number is from 43 to page number 54. See, they have given some reasons for dropping this uh, text, because it is time consuming one and its difficulty level is a little bit high. Then see the important note given with it: the entire text and the comprehension activities are omitted. See, the entire text is omitted and comprehension activities are also omitted, but writing skills activities, character sketch and expansion of an idea, and language study and vocabulary items, synonyms and tenses in the text will be for self study. This is for self study. Particularly you have to study writing skill and language study, vocabulary mainly, and these are important for us. So particularly language study and writing skill, they are very important one for you. Second omitted text is Why We Travel 1.7, Why We Travel by Siddharth Pico R. Iyer. The page number of the text is from 65 to 76. The reasons are both the same. It is time consuming and difficulty level is a little bit high. See the important note which is very important for us: the entire text and the comprehension activities are omitted. Comprehension activities and text is omitted, but writing skills items, write an email, language study and vocabulary items, adjectives, phrasal verbs and infinitives in the text will be for self study. Writing skill, language study, vocabulary, these part are that you have to write down or we have to study. Then second section, it is poetry. Two poems are there in that. It is 2.7, She Walks in Beauty by George Gordon Byron. It is from page number 125 to 128. The reasons for omitting the poem are: one is time consuming and second is difficulty level is a little bit high. See the note which is important for us: the entire text and comprehension activities are omitted, but writing skill activities, expansion of an idea will be for self study. Expansion of idea you have to study. This we have already studied in 11th standard. Then second dropped text is Small Towns and Rivers by Mamang Dai. It is from page number 129 to 133. Reasons are both same one: time consuming and difficulty level is a little bit high. Then the note for this is: the entire text and comprehension activities are omitted, but writing skills activities, particularly debate, dialogue writing, will be for self study. Here the two important part for writing skill is there. It is debate and writing skill. Now one note is given there after that: This reduction change is a collaborative decision of the syllabus reduction committee guided by the chairperson. So this is that decided by the syllabus committee. Okay, now we will see in the index where are these two topics, which two lessons and poems that we will see in our index. Okay, that and by